Hi, this is Balaji, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechatronics Engineering, SNS College of Technology, Coimbatore. Today, we are going to discuss about engineering materials. And then in last video, we discussed about the mechanical behavior of the materials, and then um, what are the material properties, how we can test the material property. Those things we have seen in our last videos. Okay, so and today we are going to discuss about some advanced materials and tools. Okay, like smart materials, ferroelectricity, uh, optoelectricity, semiconducting behavior of lasers and optical fibers, then photoconductivity, superconductivity, nanomaterials, biomaterials, shape memory alloy, and then some scanning microscopes. Those kind of topics we are going to see in this video. Okay, and also we are going to discuss about some content beyond syllabus which is not our own syllabus, like less weight high strength materials, like it may be a carbon fiber, and then we can discuss about some properties application of the that carbon fiber. Okay, so in the first unit, first topic in smart materials, we can go with the super alloys. So super alloys are a group of nickel and iron nickel and cobalt alloys used for jet engines, and then this kind of material having excellent heat resistant properties, and to retain the stiffness, strength, toughness, and then dimensional stability of the temperature, and then we can use it for the higher temperature levels. Okay, and also super alloys have two kind of phases, like heat treatment to create the V particles, and then another one, we can create the fine depression between the particles. Okay, so on the super alloy, we can made it easily, like the process of the casting and forging, and then investment casting, directional solidification, powder metallurgy, additive manufacturing process. Okay, in the screen you can see the process levels, like this furnace, we have a molten, and then molten will be getting cooling by the coolant which is available in the down the surface. Okay, the foam is slowly drawn from the furnace, and it to cool it tend to the coolant. Okay, and also the crystal growth behind the cool side from the foam. Okay, and the third one, the crystal elongate along the temperature with the gradient. Okay, the fully solidifies oriented polysilicon castings will be available in the last one slide. Okay, so this is about the casting manufacturing process by using the super alloys. Okay, so basically the superalloy is the class of high performance metallic materials known for the expansional strength, creep resistance and stability and high temperature levels. Okay, basically we can use the temperature, like 600 degrees Celsius. So in the superalloys. Okay, like we have some types of superalloys available in, like in Conal, like in the types 587, 597, 600, 601, 617, mnemonic, like Udimate, and then pyromate, M252, those kind of cobalt and highness. This kind of materials is it's a kind of nickel based process, nickel based superalloys. Okay, and also they are typically made of nickel, cobalt, and cobalt, iron, nickel alloys, and then widely used for aerospace and power generation applications. And then in the other industries the components called subject to serve the thermal mechanism stresses. Okay, basically we can use it for high temperature strength. Okay, so what is the basic high temperature strength? The super alloys maintain the mechanical strength and the resistance to deformation at a very high temperatures, making them suitable for applications like gas turbines, engines, or rocket nozzles. Okay, so another one of the important property in the creep resistance. Okay, they exhibit the external resistance to creep, which is the tendency to of the material to deform the under prolonged stress and the high temperatures. Okay, And also the stress of the stability is a kind of property. The superalloys demonstrate the good resistance to oxidation and corrosion even in the harsh environments. Okay, and also we can use these superalloys in the gas turbines, nuclear power plants, engine vans, and then automatic engines, valve seats, medical products, aerospace nozzles. Those kind of applications we can use this superalloys. Okay. So in the last we can see about the types between the ion based and then cobalt based ions, like in Coli we have a 800 series ion based superalloys, and like alloy 901, H155, V57, those kind of ion which is used for our engine ones. Okay, and cobalt based like L605, and then material IM918. This kind of materials will be used for valve seals. Okay, so we can use this also for the aerospace applications too. Okay, so these are all about smart super alloys, and the remaining topics we can see our next video. Thank you. Okay.